Hello there! Today we are going to make a kingfisher. Can we see how it looks? Wow, this is brilliant! We see multiple colors on this bird right here. And let's follow these steps and make our kingfisher. Well, at first, we will grab our pencil and start making a very light sketch. To start with, we will make a circle. Yes, let's make it slowly and nicely for the face. After that, let's make this part. Yes, for the beak. And then let's make this big oval for the body of our kingfisher. Let's join this with a curve right here. And then make another curve right here. After that, let's make this beautiful tail. And then we will start making the beak nicely. If you notice, the beak is so big, isn't it? Let's make this together. We can erase the rough part and start making it a little fair now. If you're not sure, you can make the drawing light so that it is easier for us to erase if we make a mistake. Let's make an almond-shaped eye right here and then make a circle outside of it. After that, let's start making this. Yes, the feather of our kingfisher. Well, we will start by making an outline at first and then start making intricate details inside. Can we do this together? That's brilliant! Once we are done with that, let's make this outer part. Yes, we are going to make it a little bulgy. And after that, we are going to make its legs. Yes, let's make it in a way wherein it feels that it is sitting on a beautiful branch. Now we can erase all the light marks or the rough parts and start making the entire bird fair. Make sure whenever you're making it fair, you can make it a little darker. Let's make this design on the face. And then make this cute little fish which is in its mouth. Let's make the tail now. This looks very interesting. Go very slow while making these feathers and complete it properly. Well, yes, for the feathers, we need to start making U. Yes, the letter U. So, let's start making this together. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Instead of making a letter U, we can also make the letter W. Let's make overlapping feathers so that they look very natural on the wings. This looks lovely. Once we are done with that, we will start sketching this. Well, it is completely alright however you want to place your book on the table. If you're comfortable making it a little slant and then start sketching, that is completely alright. Make sure while sketching, your hand should rest on the table properly so that there is enough space for your hand and it gets easier for you all to sketch it. Let's sketch this together. Use the tip of your sketch pen to sketch this nicely. Yes, the thinner parts need to be done that way. Sketch the entire thing in a similar way. Yes, go right on top of the pencil marks. Once we are done with the entire sketching, we will erase all the pencil marks. Let's erase them together. That's wonderful. No pencil marks should be seen. Now comes the fun part, coloring this nicely. For this, we are going to take oil pastels and now let's start coloring this with a green color. Well, this green looks a little bit like blue as well. This is a teal green. So let's do this and then start merging it with blue color. It gives us such a beautiful shade, isn't it? Complete coloring all the feathers in a similar way. This looks beautiful. Let's color the top part a little more with green color. That's fantastic. After that, let's take light blue color and do these parts. Well, yes, the corner part of our feathers or the wing. Take it till the bottom part. The colors look so attractive, isn't it? Let's complete this together. After that, we are going to take the warm color, which is a dark yellow color. Yes, we can use deep yellow for this. Let's do the outline with this color at first. Yes, we will put pressure at first and then start releasing the pressure and color lightly. Once we are done with that, let's take light yellow color and start doing the bottom part. Yes, we will merge both the colors very well. This looks lovely. Let's take orange color and then blend it with yellow right here. It gives us such a beautiful effect. After which we will take orange color and then blue color for this part. Well, these are all small and intricate parts where we need to color very carefully. Let's blend it with white now. This looks very interesting. Let's take a blue colored sketch pen and start making these dots slowly and nicely. It will give us a beautiful texture effect on the head. Let's make dots closer to each other. That's beautiful. After that, let's take blue color and lightly do it on top. That looks interesting. Let's take Persian blue color and do it near the eye. We will take yellow color for the eyes inside and then let's take brown color for the legs. Let's take a lighter brown and color this part and blend it with ochre color. Finally, let's take black color and do this part. And then let's blend it with grey color. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Let's complete it slowly and nicely. That's lovely. Finally, let's take magenta color or maroon color for the fish. And look, that is done. The top needs to be done with yellow color. And look at that, our beautiful kingfisher is ready to fly.